everybody, and welcome to Random Haul Thursday. So I actually got to go out and run a couple errands. The main reason why I wanted to come out today is to go to Starbucks/Target. They had a line that was coming out and I was pretty excited to go. I could not sleep last night because every time I look forward to something, I lose sleep because I'm just that excited. So I'm here to share with you guys what I got at 3 different stores today. I went to Target/Starbucks, I went to my local grocery store called Woodmans, and I went to the Dollar Tree. So I thought, why not just combine it all for you guys? So first thing I actually really wanted was these 5-pack of the color changing cups. You got a blue, a teal, a yellow, a pink, and it looks like a red. And then they also, from what I heard, is the straws possibly change colors too. I don't know, but people go crazy over these. And when I went to the store, there was a girl in front of me that had 4 of them in her basket. And I asked her if she was a couponer, and she said no, her sister is. And I says, oh, that's what I came here for. She's like, well, you can have one if you want. I says, no, I'll just see if they have any more, which they had tons of them. So I was pretty excited. So I just got 3 of these. I ended up using my Flues money, and because I get 35% cash back up to $10. So I just kept buying $10 gift cards like throughout the week, and then, you know, I got $3.50 back for every single one with my vouchers that I have. So again, I bought 3 of these. They're like $18.95. It comes out to be like $3.99 a cup, which is kind of a good deal, especially with the color changing one. I ended up getting one of these confetti ones. I saw these ones first and I was pretty excited. I asked if I could get, you know, a couple of them. He's like, I'm not sure if I have any extras, but he went and checked and they had tons of them. But basically it's just a bunch of confetti, and then when you put a cold drink in here, it changes colors. I don't know if the straw changes colors, but it is a rainbow straw, and I think that's pretty cute. And then it comes with a blue lid. These were $3 a piece, so I ended up getting 5 of those so I could decorate them up. And then I ended up getting this water bottle. I thought I can decorate it up. I was kind of thinking, you know, the levels that people do. This was $4, so I ended up just getting something like that so I can do a craft or project with that. So that was what I bought first. Pretty excited. I did not use any of my own money. I just used apps and all that stuff. Then I had to go inside Target and see if they had a couple things. I needed cat food, so I got cat food right here. It was originally $11.59. The app showed it was $10.99, and then there was the what's now Target Circle. It used to be Cartwheel. Target Circle showed that they were 15% off, so I got this for like 9-something bucks, which I think is a pretty decent deal because my cat needed more food. I also got these Annie's pretzels. There are 5 of them in here. These are $3.99. Both my husband and my son love these, and they make me make them for them, and they say they taste pretty close to the Auntie Annie's. These are a lot better quality than like the soft pretzel brand, even though I think it's the same company that makes it, because when you take out the salt, it has that original brand salt. So I'm not sure, but these taste awesome, so I just grabbed 2 of them because, you know, they're awesome. My daughter really loves blueberries, especially the Driscoll ones. I've noticed that the ones with the white interior, she eats a little bit better, and these are pretty big ones, so I love feeding these to her. I think that, I don't remember how much this was. This might have been like $3 for that, but I just grabbed them because I wasn't expecting to go to the grocery store. And then I decided to go to the grocery store because I wanted to surprise my husband. My husband has been asking for these Sunkist fruit gems. They sell these on Amazon, but they're pretty expensive, and he keeps wanting to buy them, and then he's like, no, I'll just go to the grocery store. But I'm like, well, when are you going to the grocery store? He's like, I don't know. But I ended up surprising him with these. I got him 2 bags. He's already took 1 bag with him already. But they're just like really, like, you know, just gummies. I think this was like $3.49 for these, but it's a pretty big bag. So I got 2 of those for him. Is it? I don't know. And then you should never go grocery shopping hungry. Oh, I forgot to say, I also got some gummies at Target too. Those were $1.69. So you should never go shopping hungry. Why, Benjamin? Because you get stuff that you don't need, but hey, guess what? So I ended up getting some Oreos. We've been really craving some Oreos. The son and I love to dip our Oreos in them. Can I have the Minion box? This is something new that I found, were the Minion cookies. They were right next to the Teddy Grahams. I thought these probably taste exactly like Teddy Grahams. We love the Minions, so I got those for him.
Yeah.
Hold on, honey. Benjamin has been such a good boy, and if he does chores, he can get a sucker or lollipop, so he wanted some Dum-Dums.
I only want one a day.
Yeah. So I surprised him with some Dum-Dums. He's already had one. I needed 2 gallons of milk because it's cheaper to buy the milk at the grocery store than at certain other places. So we got that. I ended up, hold on, honey. I ended up getting some of the smooth Yoplait. Now there's no chunks of fruit in here, which I like, but there's only 3 flavors to choose from. It's blueberry, strawberry, and like horchata or something like that. But I like this because I put these in a little pouch for Charlotte, and then I just have her like suck out of it, and then the chunks, I don't have to worry about the chunks getting in the way. She kind of chewed, those are straws. I kind of chewed, or she was,
these look like,
she was helping me with the groceries, and she kept chewing on the top, so I got to put this in that little container for her. So I got 2 blueberry, and then I got 2 strawberry for her. This thing, which I'm kind of mad, I didn't look, but these expired yesterday, which they're still fine because I'll drink them. These are Trix smoothies, and they taste exactly like Trix. They're more like Fruity Pebbles cereal, but they are delicious. I bought 2 packs of these just because it's something for me to drink. There might be not the greatest thing to drink, but you know what? I'd rather drink this to take my medicine in the morning than other things. We love cheese curds. If you guys are from Wisconsin, you'll understand the squeaky cheese curds. These were made fresh this morning at 6 a.m. according to the tag. So usually you want to eat these right away because when they're the squeakiest, that means they're the freshest. It's a Wisconsin thing. So yes. Another thing I surprised the husband with is I got his Starbucks latte drink.
these are jelly beans.
Yep. I got the Starbucks latte drink, and then he mixes it with half and half.
Mom,
I got
look like a rainbow straw.
there. I got more honey graham crackers because we have been making s'mores at home lately, and we needed more honey grahams because the kids have just been snacking on the honey grahams. And then we also got, I've been craving chocolate milk, not just like the milk that you put in the syrup.
This is small and this is big.
Yeah, the milk you put in a syrup tastes a little bit different than the milk that you got, and I didn't want to get a huge thing, so I just got a little thing of chocolate milk for myself. And then I also got a big bag of animal crackers. Those were like $2, and we love snacking on the crackers. So that was everything that I got at Woodmans. Hold on, honey. And then I ended up going to the Dollar Tree. I just wanted to see what they have with the whole thing, everything that's going on. The store's been really having some really good items. I was just in there looking for a couple things. I did find a lot of stuff that I wanted, but I didn't need it for that. So the one thing I did get more of are these like little glass frames. I thought these are super cute for when I do my Cricut stuff, my crafting stuff. I can just take these right off, and if I need to paint the frame, Benjamin, please stop. If I can paint the frame, I'll go ahead and do that. But I ended up getting 2 of the teal and then 2 of the pink ones just for a craft project. So I thought those would be cute, especially like around Easter or Valentine's Day. I can make something special. I ended up getting just a rubber door stopper. I'm sick of putting our shoes underneath our front door, and so I thought this would probably fine. It's not like, it doesn't seem like it's pretty solid.
That's like to open the door.
Yeah, it doesn't seem pretty solid, but for what we need it for, it'll work. I ended up getting some Velcro. I am sick of us losing our remotes constantly. We lose our remotes on a regular basis. So I got some Velcro. Either got the dots or these ones. It just depends on what's going to work better. But I'm going to fasten them to something. Mostly the ones upstairs I want to especially not lose.
Maybe you put it on couch.
Yeah. So this is what I got to see what we can do for the remote, because I'm sick of losing the constant looking everywhere for the remote. I found this. This is kind of like a little palette.
I watched the remote today.
But I thought this is kind of cute. I thought maybe I could come up with something to do it. I just got one. I've never seen this at my Dollar Tree before, so I wanted to get that. And then I thought this would be kind of something cool to design too, so I ended up getting that. So we'll see how those go. The next thing I got is Sorry, my family doesn't know how to be quiet when I'm trying to film a video. The next thing I got were these embossing stylus. Basically, this is kind of like the tool you use for Cricut, but they got like a dot on the bottom on both sides. And this might be a little bit easier. The Cricut thing that I use at home, it's got a sharp point, and sometimes I ruin my edges. So I thought maybe something like this might work, and we'll give it a try for $1. And it's got a nice little grip to it, so that was awesome. I've been doing, with my crafting stuff, I save every little scrap as possible because there might be a time where I need something super tiny. So I ended up getting this. This is just like a regular tote that I thought was pretty good after I realized I should probably get two because I can do one for vinyl and one for iron-on, but that's okay. I thought this is kind of cool, and for $1, it's pretty awesome. And then the last item I got was just a nail polish remover. Now this is 100% acetone. I mostly got this because of the container. So this is basically something that you just push down and it'll squirt right into the Kleenex or something like that, or if I need to remove anything. The lid said it's a locking lid. It's not that great of a locking lid, but for what I want to use this for, this comes out to be perfect. So that was everything that I got. It's not much of a haul. Benjamin has a one-track mind as I'm trying to film my video, but don't go shopping when you're hungry. I got exactly what I wanted today, and I feel awesome. Thanks for watching my random haul Thursday. If you guys want to see some more random haul weeks,
you can see my face.
Ben wants to see your face more. If you guys want to see more random hauls throughout whenever I go out and about, let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye bye.